This wood chipper may appear innocuous at first glance, but its capabilities are truly remarkable. It can process trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter and generate 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. The video evokes a sense of awe, and perhaps even a touch of fear, highlighting the raw power of this machine. Witness the intricacies of logging operations as a skilled crew navigates challenging terrain to set up a log loader. Observe their expertise in maneuvering heavy machinery like skidders and dozers, even in wet conditions. This is real-world logging, folks, raw and unfiltered. This is the way the Japanese unload logs. You guys are gonna love this. The Pezzolato All-Road is a total beast. It's got the power to handle anything you throw at it, but it's also super agile. And check out that cabin. Talk about comfortable. This machine is a dream come true for anyone who works with wood. You gotta see it to believe it. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Precision landing.
I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling experience. You can plan all you want, but every log is different. Every cut is a gamble. You gotta respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. Because when those logs start moving, they don't care how much experience you have. Seriously, you couldn't pay me enough to do that. Hats off to those who can. In Sweden's vast forests, the Hypro 755HB harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge Hypro FG45 clamp, fells trees up to 45 centimeters thick with remarkable ease. Even those with complex root systems are no problem. This machine operates with surgical precision, promoting a healthy forest ecosystem.